India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of his streets and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and my all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be Empress Party. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning, everyone. Today, News Bulletin is brought to you by SRVNs of Grade-VIII Cerulean. International and national news is brought to you by John from Grade-VIII Cerulean. International news: Israel kills 12 medicine attack in southern Lebanon as a war ravages nation. National news: Indigo introduces that fuel charges from March 14 amid rising jet fuel prices. What it means for travelers. Thank you.
State and food brought to you by Ucodes from Grade-VIII Cerulean. State news: nearly 2.37 domestic cylinders are ordered in Telangana. On March 13, 12,000 more than daily average. Sport news: IPL 2026 in Bengaluru likely to get note stadium safety after overall. Thank you. Weather report is brought to you by Jilsagar of Grade-VIII Cerulean. Weather report: maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius, precipitation 0%, humidity 44%, wind speed 13 km per hour. Thank you. This is the end of news bulletin.
Today's thought is brought to you by Kelokes from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Thought: a positive mind creates a positive life. I am repeating once more. A positive mind creates a positive life. Meaning, positive thinking positively helps us stay happy and successfully. Thank you.
Today's what is brought to you by V. Krishna Prasad from Grade-VIII Cerulean. What? Thermodynamic. It means the study of heat and energy transfer. Friends, please spell after me. Thermodynamic. THERMO DYNAMIC. Thermodynamic. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Joshka. I am from Grade-VIII Cerulean. I am here to ask you some GK questions. Question for Grade 7. Who is the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. What is the ruling age of Rajia Sultan? I repeat my question. What is the ruling age of Rajia Sultan? No, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is 1236 AD to 1240 AD. Question for Grade 9. When was the International Yoga Day celebrated? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is June 21. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
I am going to speak about Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. He is the son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was born on 1657. Sambhaji Maharaj was a brave and intelligent. He learned many languages and also a good writer. He fought bravely against Mughal Empire Aurangzeb to protect his kingdom and people. Even when he captured also, he did not lose his courage or change his religion. Sambhaji Maharaj satisfied his life for his kingdom and his faith. From his life teaches us to be brave and stand for what is right. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.